Sige na, sud na.
So we've just arrived here in Candaya, guys. We're now going to open. That is a room 703 and we're going to use the card to open. Okay ba? Tadaan! Room is ready. Wait, shoes should be. Welcome to our home for a night. Ano nagsound?
Ano lang. 3 rooms.
So this is room number 1. Put this one here. This is our room number. Before that one, let's have the living area. This is the living area, guys. Nashe 3 sofa beds, and then basta din siya mag-gather. This is the CR. This is ano siya, toilet and bath. Kana, na siya, for 1 year na mo siya gitiguman. Another room, this is room number 1 with 2 beds. Bed number 1, bed number 2. Hala, naatay room.
Ay, wow!
Room ta. Like, ignorante na to eh. Then, dapat, dali. Na yung mga complimentary toothbrush and shower cap, sanitary bag, vanity kit, comb, shaving kit, dental kit, towel,
Shaving?
shaving kit. Then, window. Atong i-open na si view. Wala. A view to the outside world with all the plants and the flowers. It's just like in Australia. Kanaging kang Maria Lasin yung video ni Mother. Okay, let's close. Next. Let's have the next room. That's Michelle. That is our Doña Madam sister. Come here. This is the dining. Ngayon natin dining table.
Hindi matay ka noon.
Oh, so pwede na makaluto. Wala na yung piatos.
Libre na? Free na?
Is this for free or for no, 1K? It says 1K.
Dili, uy. Kanang
Complimentary.
hindi to.
Then there are 6 glasses. Kay 6 man ang good aning nga room. Here's room number 2.
Kaya saan na ikuan o? Asa man ni? Free ni?
It really says no cooking
Oh,
allowed.
may rasa do tagada. Kani ba?
Tea.
Okay ra na atong kanon. Wa tay bayad.
Pwede dalo. Dalo tadi tanan.
Oh, sige go.
Pwede na, no?
Or cup and saucer.
Hey guys, kami ang literal nga squaang nga naabot sa lugar sa mga alta. Murag ilong kay ang palibot kami rin nagsaba-saba. This is inon ko ba? This is a room. I don't think this is a room. This is a bari. A room to the outside. Adore to the outside world. That's the sea over there. We're so close to the sea.
Ato na to sa pool gibutang no.
It's so nice. Let's
Amo
go.
siyang Adelpha kay dai mga Adelpha.
That's Adelpha.
Ay joke kami.
Ah.
I-search na to.
Oh, mura. Kapisasyon Adelpha sa Central. Uy, English man ko. Then, let's have the second room. I don't know which is the first and second room, but this is the second room that we're going to enter. Here. 2 beds again. With mirror. A body mirror. Kabati ako glass.
And robe.
And another robes. The same. It's just a mirror to the other room. And then look at this one. Look, guys. There's name Kandaya. Hi. Kadato na maroon today. Okay, let's close the door.
Unya, kay wa pa man sila naabot sa ng mama. Naghypo-hypo pa man to.
Yeah, Mama, in real, and Kathy is still at the hospital today. They are, because Mama is experiencing hypoallergenic. Oh,
Master's
I will stay
bedroom.
Here. I like it here with
CR.
toilet and bath. Wait, there's a message. Hi, say hi. It can't be seen. So there are 2 mirrors with towels, and then there's a bath.
But there's no robe.
But it's here with vault.
Sige, butang na ako akong ID kay importante kay.
Uy, there's blower. Can we bring this at home? Kawatan mo tayo. Uy, magstay tayo tagdugay. Nangita ta, basig nagibilin nga mga kuan nila sa mga apams. No, wala. Another robe and towel. Uy, there's no kuan. Kids, what's this?
Masing na dito. Ay, mao na pwede na to hulmon daw dadala ta sa gawas.
Ay, naguba na. Buyot.
No, feel ko pwede dadon na sa gawas no.
Maybe. Okay, let's use it later. Then, saan ka man? Uy, nasa sleepers. Huwag kita sa sleepers. Sige mo. Oh, di ba nagtigo? Wait, there's a message. Ay, what is that? What is this? There's a window.
Oh, wala ka din tatarungan na.
We don't have cortina at home. Someone's calling me. Kapalpak na po, uy, mag-room tour. Actually, I cannot reach.
You can make a contribution to
I cannot reach.
Please place this card in your bed if you would like us to only make up.
Actually, I cannot reach. There. Hindi na ako mag-open ng windows.
I-open, kinadar ang mga silingan.
No, uy, parehas sa sa among kortina sa balay. Itagaan pa akong trabaho, mag-housekeeping sa ako.
Na-instructions kung pananglitan. So to?
Yeah, I was also given the instruction at the concierge, pero gwapa man kayo ang nagbantay dito, maikog ta. Magsige na ako, kundot niyo yung skill. Ano, mga maestra, di man ang skill.
Ing ana man sila, ikaw may di.
Di, uy. I cannot reach the other one. Gana ba?
Giguba, ang day na ninuti, uy.
Uy, gubaon